What if I told you that the SAP system you choose today could either make your company faster, leaner, and future-proof, or lock you into complexity and technical debt for the next 10 years? Right now, thousands of companies are standing at the same crossroads. S/4 HANA Public Cloud or S/4 HANA Private Cloud. SAP is clearly pushing public cloud. But is it really better? Or is private cloud the smarter, safer move? In this video, I'll break down the real differences, not marketing slides, not buzzwords, but what actually matters for business, consultants, and your SAP career. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one wins and in which scenario. Let's start. What is S4 HANA Public Cloud? Let's simplify this. S4 HANA Public Cloud is SAP's standardized subscription-based ERP system. You don't install it, you don't host it, you don't customize the core. SAP manages everything. Updates, automatic, infrastructure, SAP handles it. Security patches included. Think of it like using Netflix instead of building your own streaming platform. You log in, you use what's available, you follow SAP best practices. Public cloud is built around cleancore standard processes, quarterly upgrades, limited customization. And here's the key. You adapt your business to SAP, not the other way around. This is very important. If you're enjoying this type of straight-to-the-point SAP explanation, make sure you like the video and subscribe. We break down complex SAP topics every week in simple language. Now let's talk about the other side. What is S4 HANA Private Cloud? Private cloud sounds similar, but it's very different. S4 HANA Private Cloud is basically your traditional SAP system hosted in the cloud. You still have custom code modifications, Z programs, flexible integrations, full configuration freedom. The difference, instead of hosting it on your company's physical servers, it runs in hyperscalers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. So technically it's cloud, but functionally it behaves like classic on-premise SAP. You can customize deeply. You control your upgrade timing. You carry your legacy complexity with you. And that's both powerful and dangerous, because the more flexibility you have, the more technical debt you can create. If this comparison is already helping you see the bigger picture, hit like. It really helps the channel reach more SAP professionals. Now let's compare them directly. Public versus private, the real differences. Let's go step by step. One, customization, public cloud. You cannot modify the core. You use in-app extensibility and BTP side-by-side extensions. Private cloud. You can customize almost everything. Winner? Depends. If you need heavy customization, then private. If you want clean standard processes, then public. 2, upgrade model public cloud. Mandatory quarterly upgrades. You must stay current. Private cloud, you decide when to upgrade. Public forces innovation. Private allows delay. But remember, many companies delayed ECC upgrades for years. That's why we are now facing the 2027 pressure. 3, implementation speed. Public cloud, faster implementation, pre-configured best practices, fit to standard workshops. Private cloud, longer projects, more blueprinting, more development cycles. If a company wants speed, public wins. 4, cost model public, subscription-based, predictable OPEX. Private, higher infrastructure and operational cost, more consulting effort. For mid-sized companies, public is often cheaper long-term. 5, industry fit. Public works best for startups, growing companies. Companies ready to standardize. Private works best for large enterprises, highly complex operations, companies with deep legacy processes. So, there is no universal winner, but there is a strategic direction. Let's talk about that. Why SAP is clearly pushing public cloud. This is where things get interesting. SAP's long-term vision is very clear. Standardize the core, innovate on the side. Clean core strategy only fully works in public cloud. In private cloud, you can still modify, and SAP doesn't love that. Public cloud gives SAP faster innovation cycles, predictable upgrade path, scalable architecture, AI integration readiness, AI automation, Joule, embedded analytics. These innovations are optimized for standardized systems. The more standardized your system is, the easier AI can plug into it. So, from SAP's perspective, public cloud is the future. From a consultant perspective, public cloud skills are becoming more valuable. If you're building your SAP career right now, this is critical. Make sure you're subscribed because we'll soon make a full video on how public cloud changes SAP career paths. Now, let's answer the big question: which one wins? Which one wins? Here's the honest answer. Public cloud wins in the long term, private cloud wins in complex reality. Let me explain. If you start from scratch today, if your processes are not extremely customized, if you want speed and future-proof architecture, public cloud is the smarter choice. But if you are a global enterprise with thousands of integrations, heavy Z development, industry-specific requirements, regulatory constraints, private cloud is often the practical transition step. Think of it like this. Public cloud is the destination. Private cloud is sometimes the bridge. Over the next 5 to 10 years, we will see more standardization, less core modification, more side-by-side extensions via BTP, more AI-driven automation. And that environment favors public cloud. So which one wins? Strategically to public. Operationally today, Arrow, it depends. And that's the real answer. Today we covered what public cloud really is, what private cloud really is. Key differences, upgrade models, customization freedom, SAP's long-term direction, and which scenario fits which company. If this helped you understand the cloud shift more clearly, like the video and subscribe to SAPify Academy. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into cleancore strategy, BTP side-by-side extensions, and how to position yourself as a public cloud consultant. Thanks for watching. The SAP world is changing fast. Make sure you're not left behind.